Are you staying warm yet this winter and looking for some comforting dish idea? We have a solution, so stay until the end to learn how to prepare this quick chicken taro caldo or congee AIP version. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. If you have not seen any of my previous tutorials yet, my name is Grace, a full-time laboratory scientist navigating through the early stages of Hashimoto's disease and now an AIP recipe detective. The goal of this channel is to help those who are in the autoimmune protocol journey or those who are just simply looking into anti-inflammatory and clean recipes, of having options and substitution ideas, of still being able to cook our favorite dishes with AIP-compliant ingredients. Please do me a favor of subscribing and sharing the contents of this channel if you have not done so. Inspired by the Arroz Caldo dish, this classic comfort food with a twist will surely warm you up this cold and chilly season. Traditionally with rice and chicken, but because grains like rice is eliminated in this protocol, we will use taro, a root crop that is known for its light purple color and pleasing taste on boba drinks, but much more among Asian and South American culture and cuisine. We will prepare 2.5 quarts of water into a pot, and on over medium-high heat, we boil it. And once this is boiling, load as many crushed fresh ginger, a bulb of garlic, and a few dashes of salt. And we load our preferred chicken parts. This time, I am using 5 pieces of organic chicken drumsticks. And we add a few dashes of granulated garlic. And we allow this to boil for 20 minutes to make the chicken very tender and the broth very rich. This same broth we will use to cook the taro. Once the chicken is tender, we will remove this from the boiling stock. Turn the heat low. And also, it is in this moment that we can remove the bigger chunks of garlic and ginger if you don't want this in your broth. But I don't mind it, so I will leave it in. Load 2 cups of peeled and sliced taro. And we scoop out a few ladle-full broth and save this for another dish that calls for a nice broth base, or better yet, drink it in the morning to break your fast. Turn the heat to medium-high. Allow this to boil for at least 15 to 20 minutes until taro is mushy. Meanwhile, let's shred our chicken drumsticks like this. Now this will be ready for our next finishing steps. Once the taro is ready, we proceed in gently mashing it. Mash the taro using any kitchen tool you have available. I just do it like this to create that classic arroz caldo consistency and achieve that creamy broth appearance. Now, let's add the shredded chicken, the diced scallions into the broth, and a teaspoon of fish sauce. Mix everything well. And this will be ready to serve. To elevate this dish further into another level, we will top this off with crushed pork rind, toasted garlic, and diced scallions. And it's ready to be enjoyed. That comforting warmth and flavor of the broth, and of course, the added taro texture, sure hit the spot. Ladies and gentlemen, our Chicken Taro Caldo or Congee AIP version. Please give this recipe a try, and I hope you'll find warmth and delight in this dish. Thank you so much for watching. Until next week, be healed and be blessed. Adios!